You win.
Alright, let's try one more.
Let's watch your puny burp. Kendall's out here puny burp for us.
Contest, go.
I
think she already. And this is, are you full?
It's on.
Well, you're all in my business. I farted, I win. Okay, I gotta drink this.
That's recording, so I already did one.
You already did one? Because that's not a good sentence.
Ow!
Shinoa wins. No contest.
Okay.
That was me.
Shinoa wins.
That was me.
I heard that in your
Silent.